Hello friends, myself Bhumika. I am going to uploading video on alternative source of energy. Why we need alternative source of energy? In this world, it is very difficult to imagine world without energy and power. Now energy is very important as it is used in our day-to-day lives. But the process of generating power and energy is what is causing the great pollution and environment problems in this world. Let us understand the concept of energy. Energy is one of the most fundamental parts of our universe. Energy is an important part of our daily lives. We are energy to do work. Energy lights our cities. Energy powers our vehicles, trains, planes and rockets. Energy warms our homes, cooks our food. Energy powers machinery in factories. Energy things we do in connect of energy in one form or another form. So, where we getting energy? We are getting energy from sources like soil, water, air and minerals and plants are a few of natural resources that make life possible on the earth. There are two types of energy sources in the world, that is renewable, non-renewable. Renewable energy sources are available naturally in the large amount. For example, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, bioenergy, hydropower. Non-renewable energy sources are limited in their availability like coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the examples of non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources are those natural resources that are tapped to generate electricity and energy, and ones that connect to be recycled. These natural resources are known as fossil fuels, and they are coal, petroleum, oil, natural gas. The production of these non-renewable energy sources fuel cause a lot of pollution in the atmosphere and is one of the reasons why we see a lot of carbon footprints in this planet. The health and well-being of every life from one of the entire planet using fossil fuels and some other energy forms typically pollute the environment in a number of ways. When fossil fuels like coal, petroleum are burned as released in the air causes air pollution. The combustion gas emits a lot of poisonous gases into the atmosphere. Every type of pollution can potentially compromise the human and create health problems. The present demand for fossil fuels necessitates the development and use of alternative sources of fuel which are more sustainable. To meet increasing the demand for fuels, we need alternative sources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, geothermal energy and bioenergy. Solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable energy sources highly suitable for heating and powering protocol devices. Hydropower. Hydropower electricity can be generated through water turbines. The movement of water is used power turbines that are attached to generation. Geothermal energy is generated in the form of heat from underneath the earth's surface. Bioenergy. Bioenergy includes agriculture waste which enters the use to produce electricity. Lastly, conclusion. If we like to see this planet is green, it is very important for one of us to help in the fight against with global warming and to reduce over dependence on the non-renewable energy sources like fossil fuels. to get power and electricity. Lastly, by doing so, we will make this world a safer and secure place to live for our future generation. Thank you for viewing this video.